In this video, you'll learn how to change your Microsoft Bookings URL using a simple redirect trick. Even though Microsoft doesn't let you directly edit the original bookings link, there's a quick workaround that gives you a cleaner, more memorable address you can share with clients or colleagues. Let's start with an important detail. When you first set up a Microsoft Bookings page, the system automatically creates a unique URL, something like book.m/, followed by a random set of characters. That address is linked to the mailbox that was created for your booking page, and once it's generated, it's essentially permanent. There's no built-in option in Microsoft Bookings to rename that link to something like your own name or your business name. So instead of trying to change that original Microsoft Bookings URL, what we're going to do is create a new customized link that redirects people to your existing booking page. This gives you the same end result, a clean branded URL that's easy to remember and share without needing to touch the original link. I'll show you the easiest way to do this using tinyurl, a free URL shortening and redirect service. Open your web browser and go to tinyurl.com. You don't need any special software or downloads for this. It all happens right in your browser. You can do this on a computer or a mobile device, but using a desktop or laptop usually makes it a bit easier to copy and paste the links accurately. Once you're on the tinyurl homepage, look for the field where you can paste a URL. This is where you'll add your existing Microsoft Bookings link. Go to your bookings page, copy the full URL from the address bar, and then come back to tinyurl and paste it into that field. Take a second to make sure there are no extra spaces at the beginning or end of the link, because that can sometimes cause issues. Now, tinyurl can generate a completely random short link for you, but the real benefit here is creating something custom. Under the main URL field, you should see an option to customize the alias or the ending of the link. This is where you can type in your desired name. For example, you might use your name, your business name, or something that clearly describes what the page is for, like consulting bookings or schedule with me. Keep it simple, clear, and easy to spell. If the custom name you choose is already taken by someone else, tinyurl will let you know, so don't worry if your first idea doesn't work. Just try a slight variation, like adding a word, a number, or an abbreviation that still makes sense for your audience. After you've pasted your Microsoft Bookings URL and entered the custom alias you want, click the button to shorten the link. tinyurl will generate a new URL for you based on your chosen name that automatically redirects to your original Microsoft Bookings page. Take a moment to test this new link. Open a new browser tab, paste the tinyurl you just created, and make sure it takes you to your bookings page as expected. Once you've confirmed it works, you can start sharing this new, cleaner link in your emails, on your website, or wherever you communicate with your clients. That's all there is to it. You aren't changing the Microsoft Bookings URL itself, but by using tinyurl as a redirect, you effectively get a custom, user-friendly link for your booking page.